Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This video is a tutorial to setting up CatchTwo, my Poketwo Autocatcher. CatchTwo is a simple yet powerful Poketwo Autocatcher designed to be run on multiple accounts at the same time. Timestamps of all the different steps that I'm going through in this video are available in the description. So for the first step, you go to our GitHub and you scroll down to installation. The first thing you'll have to do is download Node.js. And you'll have to download the version that is made for your operating system. Windows, Mac OS and Linux are all available. Once you've downloaded Node.js, the next step is to download Git. You'll be able to download the correct version for your operating system here. Now, once you've downloaded Git, you're going to be cloning the project to your PC. What you'll have to do is copy this. Then for Windows, you'll have to tap the Windows button on your keyboard and at the same time the X button. This will open up this list of things you can do. You'll have to choose for either Windows PowerShell or Windows PowerShell admin. Once in here, you'll have to copy this command, enter, and it's now cloning the project. Once it's done, the next step is to run cd catch2. This will locate the directory. Then run npm i. This will install all the required packages. This might take a while, but you can skip through it if you want. Once you have installed all the required packages, the next thing you'll have to do is use the following command, notepad config.json. This will open up your config in which you can change all the values to your webhook, your user ID and etc. If you don't know what some of these do, they are all explained in the GitHub. So once you're done configuring this, you'll have to close that. Of course, you'll first have to save it and then run notepad tokens.txt. This will open up your tokens file. You don't have to add multiple tokens, but if you want to, you can. For the guild ID, it's also not required. If you want to run it without a guild ID, it will just catch Pokemon in all the guilds available. In case there is an extra line like here, please remove that. So remove the extra line and fill in your tokens and guild IDs. Then save that again. Now you're basically all configured. You only need to run node dot to start the file and it will work. Now let's remove this window real quick. If you open it again, in case you want to start it again, you can just run cd catch2 and then node dot and it will start up. All links related to this video are listed in the description. If you have any other questions or wish to contribute to the project in any way, please join our Discord. Thanks for watching.